What's up, good people? It is March 27th, and I hadn't made a video in quite a while. I don't even remember what my last video left off on. So we probably jumped way ahead in the construction phase. Got pictures, but missing some video. Stormed hard last night, so everything's pretty wet. We literally got like a dang flowing body of water going through our front yard right now. I'll show you that in a minute. But finishing up insulation phase now. They got to come back out, and some crazy reason they didn't foam. They're supposed to spray foam the whole roof and everything. They didn't foam or put in R31 insulation right here. So they're coming back out. These just blown out from the wind. Like I said, we had a bad storm last night. Take you through the house a little bit. So again, got opted to go spray foam in the gables, roof line, attic. Want to do the whole house, just didn't, with all the other inflation and cost we've incurred that we were originally not budgeted for, opted to just go with the traditional R31 battery insulation in the walls. Kitchen. Living room. Just kind of show you around the house a little bit. Still got work to do on the back porch. Still got a lot to go there. Got that fireplace. Closet where the water heater is going to be in the living room. Wasn't a big fan of that, but hey, it is what it is. This is in the master bedroom. Oh, look, got a bird. Oh, he just ran into the window. He's trying to find his way out. Anyway, master. Already reached out to our builders. We got a little water on the floor right now, upstairs as well, because we don't have a chimney cap in yet. Good insulation spray right here. Master, excuse me, guys. Master bedroom or bathroom. That's where the soaking tub's gonna go. Good old nice viewing window outside. Woods are starting to fill in. Can't quite see the lake back there right now, but this is where the master vanity is going to be. Toilet room. Master shower. We got a pretty good sized shower. Somehow this got insulated with foam. I don't know, maybe they're using up what they had left, but hey, I'll take it. Rain head, shower head. I have a dual shower. I have the rain head, traditional right here. We've already got all of our tile purchased for this, so we'll be getting that tiled in. Master closet. Oh, there goes the bird again. Keisha's up there waiting in her car. Probably want that. I've been out here for 30, 45 minutes now, I believe. This dang bird. Dining area. As you can see, spray foam. Front porch. Still got obviously finished up the front porch. I don't know if you can hear that. Get that good sound of rain falling on a tin roof. We got tin metal roof up right there over the porch. This is just temporary stuff the city made us put in so nobody comes and hurts themselves. City of Locust Grove, you gotta love them. Then added thousands of dollars onto me that I didn't budget for to make them feel good about themselves. It's a big money grab, but hey, it is what it is, I suppose. This is Kiki's bedroom. Got the spray foam done in that, ventilation going. Kiki's got a pretty good view out here in the back. You can see the back porch. Closet for Keeks. Pretty good size. She got a light in here. I don't know why did I hit the button. She got a light in here, socket. That's that water coming from the chimney cap. Linen closet upstairs. Got a plug in here too. They gave us plugs in all of our closets. So, hey. Kids' bathroom. Good chow. I'll just have a little standard tub in here. They'll probably spend most of their time down in their soaking tub downstairs, I'm sure. Some good looking water. Mosquito breeding ground. This is G-Man. Gunner's bedroom. Gunner's got a little bit bigger bedroom. Trade off a little smaller closet. Kiki wanted the opposite. She wanted a bigger closet. This is Gunner's view out his window. As you can see, he's got metal roof coming off there too. Got our can't see it really. Got the furnace up there though. So furnace is in. Again, we're at the insulation stage. Next thing is drywall. And hopefully get our garage floor in. We got the flooring I'm going to pick up next weekend if all goes well. I've got the contractor I've reached out to be in later this week to give me a quote on the flooring and painting for the entire house. So hopefully I can save some money there. Lord knows I could use it. All right, this is the loft area. So be kind of the chill area. I'm sure we have guests over. They'll probably stay here as well. Maybe throw a little futon or something. I don't know. We haven't figured that out yet. But this is the loft area. It's a pretty good sized room. In the loft area and Savea's room. We just have this dead space right here. Let me back up. Just kind of dead space. They were going to seal it all off. I'm like, no, me and Keisha talked. Let's turn it into some storage. So I've actually got them to run my HVAC in there. So it's heated, cooled, insulated, obviously. Got can lights running here. Got a can light here. Can light here. I got electrical. So whatever we want to do with this. I mean, a ton of storage though. Ton of storage. Christmas. Uh, whatever. We don't have a bunch of storage downstairs, so that's going to come in handy. Other than the fact of having to go up and down the stairs for it, but hey man, we're going to compromise and make it happen. Somebody left a window wide open right here. Well, let me actually show you all I'm up here. Look at this thing. The water's starting to slow down a little bit. Literally from the land adjacent to ours. And I knew this was gonna be an issue. I mean, I knew better probably. Clearing, fill all this in. This was a big trench when we first cleared our land. And I knew water's gonna go where it's gonna go. Right? There's no stopping it. Filled it all in, hoping was to defer it a little bit. We're gonna have to do something here. This is gonna be an issue. So I'll show you when I get outside. I think we'll have to end up having to put a culvert pipe in our front yard. Help defer some of this water away. Anyway. This is over Surveyor's room. This is Surveyor Paris. She got the biggest bedroom. It's the oldest. This is what she wanted. She got quite the grand bedroom here. Ceiling light.